Hello everyone, my name is Mustafizur Rahman and I am truly excited to have this chance to introduce myself to you through this short video resume. First of all, thank you taking the time to know me a little better. I am originally from Shirpur, a peaceful and beautiful town that has always inspired to dream big and stay humble. From a very young age, I was deeply interested in technology. I used to wonder how computer work, how data travels through the internet, and how people keep their information safe online. The early curiosity gradually turned into a passion, and today it's the main driving force behind my academic and professional journey. I am currently pursuing my Bachelor of Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. My time at DIU has been full of learning, discovery, and self growth. Through my coursework, I have built a strong foundation in programming, computer network, and system security. But that truly captured my attention was the world of cybersecurity, the science and art of protecting digital system for unseen threat. Over the last few years, I have been continuously learning and practicing ethical hacking, penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and digital forensics. I have been worked with tools like Kali Linux, DVWA, and the Metasploit.2, which help me understand both how attacks happen and how to defend against them. Through this project, I have learned not just the technical skill but also the importance of ethical responsibility, patience, and problem solving under pressure. In addition to my technical knowledge, I have always believed that discipline, honesty, and teamwork are equally important. I try to stay consistent in my work, communicate clearly with others, and maintain a positive attitude even when things get challenging. Cybersecurity is not just a computer, it's also about people, trust, and the ethical decision making. That's why I always remind myself that truly success in this field come integrity and responsibility. Outside of academic, I enjoy learning about the engineering technologies, reading about global cyber incident, and exploring ways Bangladesh is important its digital security infrastructure. I also like helping others understand basic online safety because I believe awareness is the first step towards security. My ultimate career goal is to become a government service holder working in the field of cyber defense and national digital security. I want to serve my country by protecting its information security in government technical sector and the technical sector. I dream contributing smart Bangladesh where technology helps people safely connect, communicate, and create opportunities. In future, I hope to work the national security agencies continuous advance research in network defense and maybe even inspire others to join this meaningful field. Every day I try to make more step toward to goal something learning. Thank you so much for watching my video resume. Once again, I am Mustafizur Rahman, a cybersecurity specialist in training, passionate about technology, integrity, and national service. I am ready to contribute, learn, and protect. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, everyone.